Do you want to create an animation but feel overwhelmed? It's easier than you think. In this tutorial, we'll make a short animation using AI tools together. Our goal is to complete a polished animation in just 10 minutes. First, launch your AI animation software. For today's lesson, I'll use Pictory. Once it's open, select a template or background that fits your story. Next, add characters or objects to your scene. The great part is the AI can generate them based on your prompts. Just type what you need and watch them come to life on screen. Now it's time to animate. Choose actions, movements, and transitions. With a few clicks, the AI will create seamless motion for your characters. Enhance your animation with audio or music. You can opt for AI-generated voiceovers or select background music that brings excitement to the project. Finally, preview your animation. Make any necessary tweaks and export it. That's all it takes. In just 10 minutes, you'll have a finished short animation. Remember, the magic lies in experimenting with AI tools. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI insights and animation techniques. Until next time.